Class,
Yes,
all of you
ma'am.
prepare for your test? Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
all of you sit with your pencil, eraser, and notebook, computer notebook. Okay?
Ma'am, notebook.
Computer notebook, pencil, and eraser.
हाँ
Yes.
मैम नोटबुक में करना है
Yes, notebook में करना है. हरिओम.
मैम रफ में नहीं
No,
मैम रफ में करना
no.
है
Do it in your computer notebook. Take your
मैम
computer notebook, take your pencil and eraser, and keep silent there. No more talking. Now I unmute you all, mute you all, and write down the questions of give one example. This is from lesson 1. Okay. So, note down these questions in your computer notebook. Your time start now. Do it fast. जल्दी जल्दी लिखिए. अभी. Give one example. Storage device. A is storage device. B is hardware. 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 PART. Part. Connected. CONNECTED. Connected to the CPU box. Now see hardware. 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 PART. Part. Present. 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 Inside. Now D. System. 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 SOFTWARE. Software. System software. And last is application. APPLICATION. Application software. Application software. Write down these names in your copy. Give one example. Suppose storage device. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? Write the storage device. किसी एक storage device का नाम लिखना है यहाँ पर. Okay? Hardware part connected to the CPU box. यहाँ पे उसका one example लिखना है. Hardware part present inside. जो hardware part CPU के अंदर होते हैं उनका किसी एक का नाम लिखना है. System सॉफ्टवेयर. किसी एक सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर का नाम लिखना है आपको यहाँ पर. और एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. राइट एनी वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके. नाउ डू इट फास्ट. डोंट मूव हियर एंड देयर. सिट प्रॉपरली. जैसे आप अपने क्लासरूम में अटेंशन होके बैठते हैं वैसे ही बैठिए और मूवमेंट मत करिए. सिट प्रॉपरली. Okay, I'm side. Write down fast. जल्दी जल्दी लिखिए and do it fast. और अगर आपको नहीं आएगा तो मैं हूं बताने के लिए. I will give you answer. But do it fast. Write down these one example question in your computer notebook and do it fast. जल्दी करिए, जल्दी लिखिए. Time waste मत करिए. Don't look here and there. Don't talk to others. किसी और से बात मत करिए और अपना काम जल्दी करिए. Do it fast. Ananya Tiwari. लिख रहे हो आप? लिख रहे हो? ओके, डू इट फास्ट, जल्दी लिखिए। डोंट लुक हियर एंड देयर। मोबाइल को एक जगह सेंटर में रख के अपना काम करो। डू फास्ट, डू इट फास्ट। गिव वन एग्जाम्पल। स्टोरेज डिवाइस। नहीं आएगा तो मत लिखना, डोंट वरी, बट डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम। राइट फास्ट, जल्दी लिखो। Don't look here and there, Ananya. Don't talk to others. Write down fast. Write down fast. And when you complete your work, just raise your hand like this. जब आपका वर्क हो जाएगा तो आप अपना हाथ ऊपर ऐसे कर देंगे। हरी आप। राइट डाउन इट फास्ट, जल्दी लिखिए इसको। Give one example. If you not learn, अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, I will give you answer, मैं आपको बताऊंगी, बट राइट इट फास्ट, इसको जल्दी से अपनी कॉपी में लिखिए अभी। डन? अदम्या डन? वेरी गुड। डू इट फास्ट। आराध्य, अनन्या, जल्दी लिखो, डू फास्ट, डोंट राइट स्लोली। यस अदम्या, वेट, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। हाँ बोलो।
स्टोरेज डिवाइस।
स्टोरेज डिवाइस इज लाइक जहां पर जो डिवाइस स्टोर करती है इंफॉर्मेशन, डाटा को स्टोर करती है। नहीं आ रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, आई विल गिव यू आंसर। ओके, बस राइट योर क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट। पहले अपना क्वेश्चंस को राइट कर लीजिए आप लोग, के बाद में आंसर बताते हैं। राइट इट। Okay, I give you only 5 minutes. Do it fast. Do fast, students. Have you done? Okay. I ask you answer one by one. Not सबको एक साथ नहीं, वन बाय वन, एक एक बार पूछेंगे हम। ओके, अनन्या तिवारी, unmute yourself. Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
give me the answer of storage device.
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Hardware. B. Answer B. No. C. No. Okay. Okay. Hari Om, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you give me answer of storage device? Will you please give me the yes?
आंसर बताइए।
हरिओम, give me the answer. नहीं आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है? हाँ?
No.
Okay.
बोलो।
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone?
कोई है? एप्लीकेशन
Ma'am, application software.
हाँ, yes. Tell me the answer of application software. Give me the one example.
Ma'am, Wattpad.
WordPad. Okay, very good. Good. Okay. And Adamya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Will you please give me the answer of any question? Do you give me the answer of any question? आपको आ रहा
Ma'am,
है?
you are.
हाँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, storage device memory card.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, hardware part connected to the CPU
Box.
box. Ma'am, mouse.
Very good. And inside?
Ma'am, motherboard.
Very good. And system software?
Ma'am, window.
And application software?
Ma'am, Wattpad.
Very good. You are passed. You got 5 out of 5. Very good, Adamya. And now, Jayashree, unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. आपको आ रहा है इसमें से कोई भी आंसर? Will you? No? Anyone? No? बोलो. Tell me. Your voice is not coming to me. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. जयश्री? 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 बोलो. जयश्री? बोलो बेटा, उठ के बैठो. पहले आप क्या कर रहे हो? लेटे हो क्या? Sit properly. Okay. Aradhya Singh, unmute yourself. Aradhya. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको आ रहा है इसमें से कोई भी?
Ma'am, third.
हाँ, third. Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, motherpad. Ma'am, fourth.
Fourth. System software.
Ma'am, window.
Windows. Okay. Good.
Windows.
Application software.
Ma'am, Wattpad.
Very good. Very good. You are passed. Now, Shreya. Unmute yourself, Shreya. Shreya Yadav, unmute yourself. Unmute करो अपने आप को बेटा. Shreya. Shreya. Okay. Leave. Vaishnavi Singh. Who is this? Okay, Shreya. Who is this? Shreya? आपको आ रहा है इसमें से कोई भी आंसर? शिवांगी? No. Jia? Jia? Unmute yourself. Jia? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको आ रहा है इसमें से?
Ma'am, A.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, A.
A, storage device.
Ma'am, memory card.
Very good. Hardware part.
Ma'am, mouse.
Very good. Hardware part present inside.
Ma'am, motherboard.
Very good. And system software?
Ma'am, Windows.
Windows. Application software?
Ma'am, WordPad.
Very good. Jia, you are pass. पढ़ाई हो रही है. Very good. Now, Jagriti, unmute yourself. Jagriti. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Storage device?
मैम 4 वाला आ रहा है.
Okay, 4. System software? Yes.
Windows.
Windows.
Ma'am, Windows.
Okay, okay. Did you tell me the spelling of Windows?
WINDEY.
No. It is wrong. Okay. I tell you later. बाद में बताऊंगी, but good. और कोई नहीं आ रहा है?
मैम ये ई वाला.
E.
मैम
Application.
टाइप वाला.
Yes. Application software.
नंबर.
Huh? Okay. Yuvraj, unmute yourself. Yuvraj. Yuvraj. Yes. युवराज बेटा म्यूट करिए अपने आप को. युवराज, मेरी वॉइस आ रही है? हाँ, अभी हुआ था, फिर से आपने वो कर दिया, इसको म्यूट किया है. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. यस यस. आ रहा है आपको इसमें से स्टोरेज डिवाइस? एनीवन?
मैम डी.
डी. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर? यस.
मैम विंडो.
स्पेलिंग ऑफ विंडोज?
WINDOW.
S. Okay. Good. Very good. Okay. Part Singh. Who is this? Unmute yourself. Shaurya. Unmute करो बेटा. Unmute yourself. Unmute कीजिए. Yes. Shaurya.
मैम थर्ड.
Third, hardware part is present inside. Yes.
मैम मदरबोर्ड.
Very good. Anyone?
यस मैम.
Easy questions. Yes. Tell me.
मैम सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर.
System software. Yes.
मैम विंडोज.
Windows. Spelling of Windows?
WINDOWS.
Very good. Good. Okay, now जागृति नहीं हो गया. आलोक यादव. आलोक यादव, आवाज नहीं आ रही है. ओके, लीव. नाउ आई राइट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन and you listen. Okay, so first is storage device. The answer is pen drive. PENDRIVE, pen drive. Second is hardware part connected to the CPU box. The answer is keyboard. You write anything, mouse, keyboard, okay, monitor, printer, etc. Now, system software, hardware part present inside hard disk, motherboard, anything. Okay. Now, system software, Windows, WINDOWS, Windows. Now, application software, आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहेगा एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. मैं विंडोज थोड़ा और ऊपर लिख दे रही हूँ, ठीक है, और हार्ड डिस्क भी थोड़ा सा और ऊपर कर. हार्ड disk. Okay, and this is Windows, and here the answer of application software is WordPad. Okay, this is PAD. दिखाई दे रहा है? All of you see this? Raise your hand. Raise your hand अगर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है तो. Clear? Okay, good. Now write it in your computer notebook. जिसने नहीं लिखा है वो लिख ले. Now all of you read with me. Storage device, pen drive. P N उससे आगे मत रीड करो, मेरे साथ रीड करना है. D R I V pen drive. Now D keyboard. Now C hard disk. Now D windows. Now E WordPad. Okay. Good. Who is this? Okay.
hard disk.
Okay. Now these are the one example of these questions. Okay. Now I erase it. Erase कर दूं इसे? Can I remove it? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Now class, all of you open your book, page number 44. Page number 44. Open your book, page number 44. दिखाई दे रहा है? Did you show it? Did you show this? दिखाई दे रहा है? Okay. Page number 44. Now I unmute one by one you and you read this. Correct the circle the correct options. Okay, clear? This is from lesson 3 students. ये lesson 3 का है. Circle the correct options और ये आपको one by one reading करनी है. Okay, clear? Raise your hand if you clear. Raise your hand. Ananya Tiwari, where are you? Raise your hand if you clear. Okay, hands down. Now Hari Om Pandey, unmute yourself. Okay, start reading. Circle the correct option.
Which of the following option is used to cancel the last action
Perform.
performed?
Good.
Undo.
Good.
Number second, which selection option is used to automatically select to
Entire
image?
image. आंसर क्या है?
Try image. Select all.
गुड.
Which tool is used to an area of any shape from an image? From freeform selection. Which tab has the option to see the full screen view of the image view?
Good. Given below is a picture of a hut. Answer what?
Ma'am,
Give me the answer. Answer is
क्या
2.
है? बेलून करनी चाहिए.
third.
Okay, done. Mute yourself. Now Ananya Tiwari. Ananya, unmute yourself. Start reading. Circle the correct option.
Circle. Which of the following option is used to cancel the last
Action.
action
Perform.
profile?
Performed. Performed.
Perform undo. Which selection option is used to
Automatically.
automatically select the entire image? Select all. Which tool is used to select an area of any shapes from an image? Free from selection.
Good.
Which tab he has the option to see the full screen view of the image view?
Good. Give below a picture of a hut. Answer is?
Ma'am, view.
No. Question E. Given below is a picture of a hut. Answer क्या होगा? 1, 2, 3. Third.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, third.
Okay, good. Now, Jayashree, unmute yourself. Jayashree, do you have computer book? Your voice is not coming, बेटा आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है मेरे पास. Jayashree, sorry, your voice is not coming. Yes. Jayashree, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अब आ रही है. Circle the correct option.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 44. कहाँ थे आप बेटा? आवाज नहीं आ रही थी? हाँ?
No, ma'am.
Okay. अब आ रही है?
Ma'am, see.
Look at here. दिख रहा है?
Ma'am.
हाँ?
Ma'am, see.
No. Circle the correct option. पढ़िए. Where are you, Jayashree?
Which of the following option is used to cancel the last action
Perform.
performed?
Answer is undo. Leave.
Undo.
Okay, keep
E.
practicing. Rando, stop. Jayashree, stop. Part Singh. Who is this? Adamya, unmute yourself. Adamya, unmute yourself. Start reading. Circle the correct option.
Which of the following option is used to cancel the last action performed? Undo.
Yes.
Which option is used to automatically select the
Entire.
entire image? Select all.
Hmm.
Which tool is used to select an area of an shape from an image free from selection? Which tab has the option to see the full screen view on the image? View.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, good. Jagriti, unmute yourself. Jagriti,
ma'am.
yes, start reading, beta. Circle the correct option.
Which of the following option is used to correct the last
Action
action
performed.
performed?
Undo.
Undo.
Undo. Okay, now
Undo.
stop, Jagriti. Keep practicing. Aditya Chauhan. Okay, Ritesh, unmute yourself. Ritesh, okay. Start reading, beta. Circle the correct option. Read fast. Time is over now. Ritesh, unmute yourself. बेटा unmute करो अपने आप को. रितेश, आवाज आ रही है? अनम्यूट करिए बेटा. नहीं हो पा रहा है? ओके, लीव. जिया, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Okay, start reading. Circle the correct option.
Which of following option is used to cancel the last action
Perform.
Undo.
Good.
Which selection option is used to automatically select the entire image? Select all. Image. Select all.
Yes. C. Jia. Jia, your voice is not clear. Okay, who is this? Okay, listen students. Now we finished here and next Monday, okay, what we do? Next Monday we start reading from match the column and fill in the blanks, okay? This page number, and you have to learn these match the column and fill in the blanks. I will give you these snaps on WhatsApp, okay? मैं आपको WhatsApp पे इसकी pics सेंड कर दूंगी, आप लोग अपनी बुक कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा और लर्न करिएगा। ओके, गुड बाय। किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
No, ma'am.
Yes, I send you on the WhatsApp from lesson 3
No,
exercise.
ma'am. मेरे से रीडिंग नहीं करवाई।
Okay, next time I will read. करवाएंगे, रीडिंग करवाएंगे, अभी बहुत टाइम है।
मैम ये फोटो के ये फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स से भेज दीजिएगा।
हाँ हाँ, सबको सेंड करेंगे।
बाय बाय।
Have a nice day.